Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate how customers can efficiently manage their interactions and inquiries through Salesforce Agent integrated into their company website, which is not hosted in Salesforce platform. Example, for this use case, we are using bStore website. Alright, the bStore website is managed externally and it is not part of Salesforce platform. We have seamlessly integrated Salesforce features to enhance the customer experience. If customer has a question such as, does bStore provide technical support for laptops, or do you sell laptops with pre-installed software like Microsoft Office? The agent will instantly fetch the relevant answers from the knowledge articles stored in Salesforce. This makes finding information quick and easy. Based on customer questions, the agent provides the relevant answers using the knowledge articles. Next, customer who wants to become a member, they can simply type, I want to become a member. The agent will provide a registration and login link. By clicking on link, customer can sign up and enjoy the exclusive member benefits. If a customer no longer wishes to receive a promotional or campaign emails, they can type, I want to unsubscribe. The agent will share an unsubscribe link which the customer can use it to manage their email preferences. Similarly, they can also subscribe again by requesting a subscription link. By integrating Salesforce Agent into a bStore website, we have made the system secure, user-friendly, and efficient for our customers. Thank you.